Here's Scout. He's already wanting to play tug of war. Let's see who's the strongest. Pull, Scout, pull! He almost got you, Dylan. They're tearing the rest of the toy. And he won't give up. Oh, he finally got it! Let's see who's gonna get in the pool. Yeah, he's in the pool! Woohoo! Only if you cork him in with the toy. Where's Rosie? Rosie! Hey, Rosie. Hey, Rosie. Hey, big girl. That's a girl. Tell Mama hey. Tell Mama hey. Good girl. She's smiling for the camera, huh? She like that camera. You gonna play with brother? Huh? No? So she's taking it easy today. She just walks around and smells everything. You're doing well, eating good. Uh-oh. Back to tug of war.